Welcome back again with a cooking program. We're back in the kitchen again, guys, to give you your favorite drink. You know, it's a drink time now, it's the season getting hot, and it's summer now, guys, and hopefully you will enjoy all of these recipes. A lot of people have been requesting a lot of recipes. One of these recipes which I want to give you today is basically I want to try orange and kiwi. I did it before, tastes really nice, so hopefully I will share with you guys and you will like the idea of this drink. Hopefully you will enjoy it. It's just kiwi and orange and some syrup and little water. We're gonna put some lemon inside of it and blend it up, guys, and make a nice lovely smoothie drink out of it. Enjoy the recipe. You can make juice, you can make smoothie, you can make whatever you like with all these kind of drink we're coming up with this for this summer. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much. As you can see, this is my smoothie right here jug. Basically, quarter cup of glass of water, 2 kiwi. I'm already removed the skin. Straight inside of the water, just like this. So, guys, you have to remove the skin from the kiwi, and just like the orange, I just remove the skin. Lovely. So I use half of an orange, and that's the way it look. So hopefully you like the recipe, and then basically squeeze a little bit of lemon juice inside of it like this. A little bit of red syrup, not too much. Nice and lovely. Basically, these drinks is just idea which you can do at home if you do like. Nice one. So this is finished. Move it. Look at this one, guys. Wow. Just look at the flavor and everything of it. Just see the strawberry. What the strawberry do now, it give it a nice lovely blend and a nice lovely color with the kiwi and the orange. Just blend and it goes really well. So basically, guys, this is exactly what I'm talking about. So I know you guys will love the recipe. It's just a really nice recipe. Hopefully you guys will love it, and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out, guys. As you can see, this recipe is just beautiful. Kiwi, orange, and a little bit of red syrup to give it the color. Oh man, this is just beautiful and nice. So hopefully you like the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out, guys, and I'm telling you, there's a lot of drink is gonna come out on the menu, because we got the blender, we got the smoothie blender, we got the drinks blender, we got everything to make the drinks for you. So enjoy the recipe. Please leave your comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Bye bye.